Best turmeric couscous recipes. Try it this Ramadan. You won't regret it. Fish of choice. Thyme. Onga. Ginger and garlic. Maggi seasoning cube. Dried rosemary. Crushed pepper. Curry powder. A half lemon. 2 TBSP oil. Mix well and marinate for 10 minutes or overnight. Fry in oil. In a bowl, add 1 pack couscous. Add crushed chili, turmeric powder, seasoning cube, crayfish, 2 TBSP oil. Mix well. Add warm water, not hot. Allow the water to cover the top of the couscous. After 3 minutes, check the couscous and fluff it. Add 1 TS butter and mix. After frying your fish in the soft meat pan, add your carrots, celery, and onions. Add ginger and garlic. Add 1 chili pepper, curry powder, thyme, chopped tomatoes. Cover and allow to fry. Spring onion and water. Enjoy. Follow Race Foodies for more recipes.